We work in a fast-paced and developed market. It's very important for us to leverage our experience to deliver great projects for the clients at the speed which enables them to capture the market at the right time.
I think what's really unique that comes from the concept team is the models and the polished visuals. You don't get still views from the team. It's a detailed Revit model, a detailed SketchUp model, which allows for fly-throughs, materials are defined, geometry is resolved.
It's effectively a digital mock-up of the entire scheme. So you're able to take a 3D environment and you walk around it. So you can see as much as possible of the finished article in 3D as early as possible.
It enables you to see the science, the emotion, and the 3D environment all together. This is the closest you will get to experiencing the project before it's complete. It better informs and provides assurance for all stakeholders, the design team, to the client team, and the end user.
Now in a position where we've got the scientific design and the emotional design, we're bringing the two together into one environment, rather than it just being purely a value-driven scheme or purely an emotive-driven scheme. You can actually start to balance the two. And that as a tool for a client is incredibly valuable because they can see what they're getting, number one. Number two, we get a lot of instant feedback on the model, so we bring the client along as part of the design process. Also from a sales and marketing perspective for a client, they know what they're selling. And I think that's really important. We are trying to create design certainty as quickly as possible.
Where the models get to at the end of concept, that's beyond what we would expect from any concept architect. The building's complete, the facade of the building's understood, it's been able to be presented to the client, materials have been selected and approved. We're into a far more detailed level of coordination within SD that we would probably be handling at the back end of SD. So we've got weeks of head start just because the building's been resolved. It's not a couple of visuals and a set of plans that we get at the end of concept. It's a fully engineered model.
For a project to be successful, it requires this level of detail, this level of service, which in turn helps the market to continue to develop. We're contributing to that, and it's a very exciting process to be a part of.